dalang lat.
Vlog ka na dyan.
Ay, muli ko man din dito.
Chinatown.
Sigo na.
Na, ganun na kanina ra.
At the light, use the left 2 lanes to turn onto Highway 1A.
Welcome to Chinatown in Canada.
Wala pa, di pa ni, liko pa ni. Kana, liko. Kanang gilikuan nila.
In half a mile, turn right onto Beatty Street.
Drive. So, go west.
Rogers Arena. Uy, dinalaครับ
Tingnan tao?
Traffic. Sama juga lah dengan engine. Ito rin si Chinatown, no?
Asan daw? Robot?
Ano yung mga Chinese yung signage?
Building direlix kanay lubi sa ibabaw, punuan, tuwadaghan oh. Oh.
There's mga seconds there sila. Oh,
Dapat
money
ilumayan
street.
ng sapatos yung mga
There's a parking, ha?
sapatos.
Maning sana street ni Betty Street going to the Chinatown. Couple of minutes. Kasi minutes. Oh, not really minutes, seconds.
Dapat yung ano dahil sa inyong
Pinder Street.
Ito, gamay raw.
Yeah. Here, sa other street. And that way, going to Chinatown. And this one going to our parking space. Oh, and there's a street. Isang street niya. Dream kami agi ganin ng street, oh.
Yun yung
Chinatown
stadium.
Stadium.
Chinatown Station.
See that ang Gidigira?
Asa tagitira?
Nasa left side. Ah, left side.
Asa Chinatown?
Dito, dito. Oh, tara, move.
Go. Go na. Go eh. Oo.
Ito kami rin. Dali, ayaw, sige rin. Kita lagi na rin. Kasi bawal ba?
Exploring Canada. Oo, Vancouver.
Exploring Canada. But
Exploring Vancouver.
in the street, gani. Kita kag tanggi-digira doon sa street. See, look at that. See? Oh. Kita ka na, Brad? Tanggi-digira, Brad?
Mau man ay huwaman sa Pilipinas. Atak sa ina.
Philippine Sea.
Oh. Oh, oh.
Ilang police car yun?
Okay. Right guys, we're here in front of the Chinatown. And we're going to get inside and see what's inside. Because they told us that there's a lot of fresh fruits here. Like mangosteen, lanzones. And it's amazing, you know. It's amazing because not only the Philippines that we have those fruits, but also here in Canada. Particularly in Vancouver. In Vancouver. Alright. We're going there now. Bye. So, ingon. Yeah. 2 blocks daw. Oh. This is the sit up. I think this is iLegion Part 2. Yeah. I shooting out here. They're making the scene. And there's a props here. There's lots of props here for the police. Yeah. Yeah. Can we go through?
Just this way here.
Okay.
No photos, please, sir.
Oh no. Yeah, we are here in Main Street, corner Ipender Street. Yeah. And here's the part of the Chinatown. I think we can have some fruits here, if possible. Yeah. CIBC. House of Fenda. It's a nice trees here. Ito yung tree nga nasa plug sa Canada, ang dahon, yung dahon ng leaves niya. Okay. This is nice.
Badungon mo na yung badungon mo picture of the video.
This is a movie set.
Vision State again? Huh? Vision State.
This is a movie set. So there are lots of cops here. Maraming police dahil may shooting dito. Sa Canada, yeah. Yep. Here in Columbia Street in Vancouver, Canada.
Ay, pala props yung ano doon.
Yeah.
Dong, yung car na yun parang prop.
Yeah.
That's a movie set.
Yeah.
Pagkita na po sa
Exactly.
na mga blinds na